Hi, my name is Lisette Turner and I'm an agent with Century 21 Redwood in Berryville, Virginia. I'm here today at a listing of mine on 206 Crums Church Road. It's an absolutely beautiful circa 1900s farmhouse that had a brand new two-story addition put on between 2007 and 2008. I'm going to show you very quickly the exterior and then we'll go inside. Okay, here we are. You can see that the roof is architectural shingle. It was put on within the last 6 months. It's a 30-year roof. The owners that have it now put stone on the chimney on this side, and there's another stone chimney on the other side. It is vinyl sided. The HVAC system is just a few years old. I want you to see the beautiful weeping cherry tree and the pear trees and all the other beautiful trees that surround this lovely property. Behind the property, there's a farm that will never have any building built on it. They've used up all of what's called their dwelling unit rights. Clark County has very strict zoning. So the addition that was put on is two-story. It encompasses a full bath, a room for an office or bedroom, a very large great room, two beautiful multi-level decks. Upstairs, there is 2 bedrooms, another full bath, and it's really a very, very nice addition. I'm going to take you inside. Look at that forsythia in bloom. Isn't it just beautiful? We've got a full front porch that's concrete. If you look across the road, you'll see that there are large pine trees, so you have that blind, and that gives you further privacy. There are several sheds on the property as well. I'm going to go inside. Follow me. Here we are. I'm now in the formal dining room. It's got beautiful custom oak floors. All of the windows have been replaced. What I love about this house is that they didn't strip it of all of the natural charm that it had from the era that it was built. You can see the bullseyes on the corners of the windows. You can see the beadboard. Look at that staircase, isn't that pretty? Look at the beadboard wall. I'm not going to take you through the whole house because what I'm going to do when I finish is ask you to click on a button below this, and it'll open up a very nice video that shows every room in great detail. Also, during the virtual open house, I will be available for phone calling and FaceTime, and I can walk you through. I can show you anything you like that you might have questions about. I'm going to quickly show you the new addition area on the first floor. Look at this big family room. I just love it. And you've got 2 sets of double doors that go out to the multi-tiered decks. There's a full laundry room right through that door. And behind this door, we have a cute little room that can be used for a little office or child's playroom or whatever you might want to use it for. The price of this home is only $345,000. which is a real buy. This property is over 2,500 square feet. The kitchen is newer cabinetry. It has a farm sink, granite countertops, and it also has, believe it or not, this works. It's propane gas. They don't use the original oven. They have a wall oven right over here, but the top does work, and it is antique. So I just wanted to show you just a bit of the home. But I think you'll want to see more because it really is a wonderful family home. It has 3 full baths. It has a luxurious master bath. And it's just beautiful. I think you'll like it. So come on and join me on Sunday between 1 and 3. I hope to see you there. Be safe. Have a great week. Hope to see you. Bye-bye.